Alright, so we got the gearbox back together. It's got the new LSD in there. Peter, how do we work this thing? There we go. I bet you $10 if you need to grab each axle, and I'll give you $10 if you can hold one axle and then turn the other one. Actually, let's make it 9 grand. I'll give you 9 grand if you can hold one axle and then turn the other one.
Sure?
Yep, 9 grand. Hang on, hands. I can't see. Spread your legs or something so I can like put it out. Come on, Peter, 9 grand. What about just turn it one way? So it's locked then? No, that's it. Time's up. Wop, wop, wop. We're going to do a test now. Before we put the gearbox in the car, we'll do a burnout in that. And we can see that it is in fact one wheel. Oh. Oh. So that's got an open wheel diff, which means when you go, it just peels one wheel. That's got an LSD in it now, like this Chinese 2-plate with spring thing on there. Just spin the wheel with your hand. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I was just showing that that's the open wheel.
Muscles.
Touch my face. Alright, grab the side of it. Yep, straight down the wheel. Stand up, Peter. Alright, Fox going in for the first time. Round 2. No, round 1.
You boys are pulling some good orgasm faces right now.
I bet. What you were used to filming for.
Oh yeah. This isn't my first video.
Hold it. We're gonna get something to eat. Alright. Oh, York.
Alright, first try, let's go.
We've done it easy, eh?
I got it.
So Nick, what's your bet? How long do you think this LSD is going to last?
I've been doing a bit of research.
I think it's even going to work.
I've been doing some research. A few people use them and say they work, but also a lot of people have been saying that they only last a few weeks and they sort of start slipping again.
That was the first comment on yesterday's video.
Was it? Because our idea was let it wear in a bit until the groove lines get cut into it, then shim it, so then it has some more pressure on it again.
Yeah, but the springs do move pretty far. I thought that it would just
Keep pushing out.
yeah.
It's like clicked in, it just doesn't
Go. Lift the hub out and push it in. Again.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? We just put the old box oil back in there?
You better believe when the 180's running, I'm gonna go back to reusing the 180 oil in the Starlet. Not paying for 2 engine oil changes, I just pay for 1.
Nick also
Some
gets
oil is
Nick also gets
$5.
Christmas presents and then just rewraps them for people the next year too.
Yeah. One of my mates in Melbourne, his missus runs a like a vinyl thing where they make stickers, and she reproduces brand new life stickers for Starlets if you're interested.
Why would you want that?
Brand new life.
Brand new life stickers, they look really good. Look at that one, it's rough as.
You don't want.
Yeah, but you can get brand new ones. They look,
You can load them on your Starlet.
they look really good actually. I've ordered some. I got them in mine at the moment. I'm going to put them on this weekend. And a lot of sex appeal. A lot of it.
Get all the girls.
I've already got problems in Mitchell Street. I drive this down there and there's girls just jumping on the
Yeah, but
bonnet.
imagine when you got brand new life stickers. They don't move like that.
Wait, how'd you over tighten the sump plug for this?
Oh, just look at my arms, dude. Like, so with Toyota gearboxes, Matt, how do you which cars would have the same kind of gearboxes? So, for instance, what would be in my Celica? I've never looked at
C52 probably.
So it'd be like a same sort of thing.
The one that's in your car is the Corolla one.
I just know they love it when you smash into gear. I did buy a 1983 Honda City though. The fuel tank was ratchet strapped to the roof because the fuel pump died. So we just gravity feed the fuel to the carby. And I ended up just doing burnouts and it all blew up. Poor car. We're like, we'll leave it on the side of the road for a night. We come back the next day and it's stolen.
Oh, old oil.
Well, we'll test this. So this has got the new Chinese plates in it. Boys, do you want to grab a wheel each and see if you can turn it? Wait, just do it slowly first. Just do one wheel.
I'll turn one.
Let go, Peter.
Go, Peter. It turns both, and I go the other way.
Okay, so it is sort of locked. Go, Peter, hold a wheel now.
Ready? Yep. There it goes, it turns. Yeah, turns. Can you turn it? There is resistance, but it's not mega tight.
Oh, there is a little bit there, isn't it?
There is a bit, but I don't know how much it's meant to be.
All right, we'll test that compared to the $1,500 Cusco that I have in the blue car.
Wait, hold that. It's not, like, there's more resistance here, but there's not as much as I thought there was going to be.
Not a lot.
Oh, hold it. It's almost the same, dude.
Yeah.
Hold that wheel, Matt, and I'll turn it, ready? You hold it a bit tighter.
I'm trying. Yep. Yeah, no, I can't.
Yeah,
So,
right.
so it's a little bit more. So
When I'm turning it, like when Peter's holding it, it doesn't feel that bad.
yeah, okay. So maybe then if the green car fails, we can just put some beefier springs in it and it'll probably help it.
I also reckon because the two bits of the spider gears holding against the plate have only got a small surface area, I feel like they'll wear in and it'll get better.
Yeah, okay. All right, we'll get off the hoist net. We'll take it off the hoist and we'll try and peel a skid.
Oh,
We hit both wheels off.
both wheels. Oh,
Starting to slow down.
Good enough.
Double one? That was definitely doing both then.
Yeah, right. That's funny as. We've done the burnout test and it definitely pulls two wheels and wants to hop down the road. The other thing with this car is I used to pull out on the highway and in first gear, if you come out of say a left or a right turn and gas it, the outside wheel would always peel. So this will be the ultimate test now if it's actually doing anything.
Yeah.
So I'll just gas it out of this corner. Wow.
Yeah, actually that
Wow.
was yeah, right.
Wow.
it didn't spin at all, did it?
Not at all. All right, we'll try again in first gear and then we'll gas it out of the corner. Wow.
Yeah, right.
So it is a tiny
I
bit
was
of
gonna say,
resistance.
it kind of did a little bit, but like not really though. Like it was way better than it would be.
Yeah, like I'm talking before, you come out of a corner and gas it and
Yeah.
it'll just bounce off the limiter.
I remember mine used to do the same thing.
Maybe we'll try a bit of a accelerated start. Are you ready?
Yep. Yeah, actually,
I'm pretty impressed.
the fact that it's hopping is means that it's doing both.
Yeah.
That's funny.
35 bucks, that is sick.
Yeah, it's actually really good.
Peter, when we were driving it, we pull out of the left turn and gas it, and the inside wheel will usually peel down the road, and it just hooks up and goes, doesn't spin at all. And actually we went around another corner, gassed it hard, and the front just sort of skips. So I reckon that'll be about it. So I'll just put a jack under it now, and we'll just see if it feels tight or not. But I guess we'll just keep pinning the comment. If it blows up in a week's time, I'll just pin the top comment and let people know what's happened, or in 1,000 Ks if it's still good, we'll just update it and say it's still going good. But really for 35 bucks, it's definitely improved it heaps. I mean, I don't know how good this is going to be on a turbo car, but
One way to find out.